Are you seeing the NPP IDE 64 DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. As we look at the manual steps for NPP IDE 64, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the NPP IDE 6410, the NPP Image Data Exchange Library. It manages the unmanaged movement of visual data between host and device, facilitating the localized graphics data link manifest. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for NPP IDE 64 DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the NPP IDE 64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the reboot didn't fix the graphics glitch, we need to perform a clean handshake between your driver and the OS, so you should use Display Driver Uninstaller to purge your current GPU software. After the cleanup is finished, download the newest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD to ensure that your DLL file is properly integrated into the graphics stack. Why are we doing this? Well, standard updates often fail to clear deep-level registry conflicts, and this deep clean removes those barriers to allow for a successful file sync. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install NPP IDE 64 DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with NPP IDE 64. To support our technical team and receive updates on NPP IDE 64 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.